I'd spent enough time in corporate cubicles to know I needed to be somewhere else. My wife and I moved to a place where we thought we had wonderful woods, but it turned out it was just full of noxious weeds. Once we educated ourselves about how to deal with invasive species, it was time to get to work. After that first year of initial removal, we started to see the landscape change and the wildflowers were coming back. There's something magical about it. I was hooked. I suddenly just had this drive for helping others not just remove buckthorn and other invasive species from their yards, but to actually restore their woodlands and share in those wonderful discoveries as native plants and animals returned. Our crew shares that same passion to restore our native woodlands, and they take the threat of invasive species seriously. We're thinking about the entire ecosystem, and when we treat an area, we're careful to tiptoe around the native plants. We're always looking for ways that we can help the animal habitat, soil health, and water management. And we often install plants and seeds to boost the area's diversity and abundance so it can become resilient and fend off future invaders. It is so rewarding to watch land rebound with such robust and diverse life, and to know that we've made another important step forward. Because on every customer's land, there's a tiny piece of the big forest we all share.